Hello champions, welcome to another wonderful topic on social studies. Make sure you have your notes and pen to jot down important points. Remove anything that will distract your attention. Sit back and enjoy the lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to study the topic prevention of drug trafficking and common crime. Lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. State ways of preventing drug trafficking. 2. Define crime. 3. State the types or examples of crime. 4. State the methods of reporting crime. 5. State important tips on criminal complaints. 6. List the procedure for a criminal case. 7. List the forms of crime against humanity. And 8. State the roles of Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC. Prevention of drug trafficking. The following are ways of preventing drug trafficking. 1. People should be sensitized and educated on the laws and consequences of drug trafficking. 2. Government should provide employment opportunities. 3. Skill acquisition centers should be established by government to train people in vocational skills. 4. Laws against drug trafficking should be made and punishment strictly enforced. 5. The law enforcement agencies, especially those in charge of drug laws, should be strengthened and motivated to discharge their duties. 6. There should be campaign against drug abuse and trafficking. Definitions of common crime. Crime is the violation of norms or values thought to threaten a society. Crime can also be defined as an unlawful act punishable by a state or other authority. And crime can also be defined as serious offense punishable by the law of the state. Types or examples of crime. We have armed robbery, 419 or advance fee fraud, examination malpractices, tax evasion, abortion, child abuse, smuggling, bribery, contract inflation, car theft, cultism, piracy, and so on. In spite of the combined efforts of law enforcement agencies and some aggrieved members of the public, crime rate is still high and new methods emerges every day. Methods of reporting crime. The techniques and activities involved in reporting crime are as follows. Reports can be done at any police station as soon as you can, either verbally or in writing. Important tips on criminal complaints. 1. You can only file a criminal complaint if you are the actual victim of a crime. 2. The complaint must be filed within 3 months of the incident. 3. The complaint can be made against a specific person or persons unknown. 4. The complaint can be made or withdrawn. 5. If you have been injured or sustained a loss or damage due to the crime, you have to file a criminal complaint. 6. You don't always need a lawyer except in complicated cases. 7. You can file a criminal complaint at any police station, either verbally or in writing. And 8. Anyone who is aware that a crime has been committed can report it, whether you are personally affected or not. Procedures for a criminal case. 1. The police takes charge of the investigation. At the end of the investigation, the public prosecutor's office that has jurisdiction over the case decide whether there is enough evidence. 2. It is the responsibility of the public prosecutor to bring the case to court and conduct trial. The accused provides evidence. 3. The judge listens to the evidence, arranges for an additional evidence, and issues a verdict at the end of the trial. 4. A person who is convicted of a crime can contest the decision by filing an appeal. He or she must have a lawyer. 5. Anyone who has reported a crime can ask the authorities whether criminal proceedings have been brought or not. Next, forms of crime against humanity. Crimes against humanity include any of the following. We have murder, extermination, enslavement, deportation, imprisonment, torture, rape, sexual slavery, enforced prostitution, forced pregnancy, and so on. Then next we have roles of Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps NSCDC in crime control and prevention. The Nigerian Civil Defense started as a voluntary organization as a result of the Nigerian Civil War in 1967. It was established to assist civilians in improving their safety and security during the war. In 2003, the corps was transformed to a professional government security outfit. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) officiates with the International Civil Defense Corps with headquarters in Geneva. Their roles include providing safety and security in the areas of disaster management, crowd control, intelligence gathering, private guard company operations, anti-vandalism, and anti-terrorism. Hope you have enjoyed the class.